This is a sale of a 1991 BMW Harsco M936A2 5-ton record truck. The truck is a 6x6 unit and it's powered by a Cummins 6 CT-A8.3 6-cylinder turbo supercharged diesel engine driving through an Allison automatic transmission. This hardtop truck also has power steering and a central tire inflation system. There's a 45,000-pound capacity rear-mounted drag winch, as well as a front-mounted 20,000-pound hydraulically driven self-recovery winch. The crane on this wrecker is a 20,000-pound capacity rotating unit with a 10 to 18-foot extending and elevating crane. The odometer reads 8,788 miles with 724 hours of operation. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.